Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Bosch Dishwasher water tap error E15 in 2026. So this E15 error usually means that the dishwasher has detected either a water supply issue or internal leak protection activation. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to start with checking the main water supply. So you need to confirm that the dishwasher is receiving the proper water flow. So you can inspect for the water supply valve, inlet hose, kinked connections and low household water pressure. A restricted or closed water line can trigger the water tap warning immediately. After doing so, you just have to simply inspect the inlet filter screen. So Bosch dishwasher often have a small mesh filter where the inlet hose connects. So mineral buildup or debris can block the water entry. So you just have to turn off the water, then disconnect the hose and then clean the filter screen carefully. After doing so, if the E15 error is still active, the base safety tray may contain leaked water. So you need to turn off the power and inspect underneath the dishwasher. You can just simply dry any of the standing water completely, and this particular thing can also help you with the error. Now, if no visible leaks or supply problems are found, the float switch or aqua stop valve or internal sensor may be malfunctioning. So these components control emergency water shutoff. Persistent warnings may require replacement or professional testing. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.